G'day potato lovers. Well, it's quick tip time once again, and today's quick tip is how to cook some roast potatoes in the air fryer. It's super easy to do, so let me show you how it's done. So for this, all you're going to need is some potatoes. These have been washed and dried, and also you want the thinnest sort of potatoes you can get. You don't really want big bulky round ones because it won't cook in the middle. You want them nice and, well, as thin as you can get them. And you just need some salt and some cooking oil. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is coat these potatoes in the oil. I never said that this wasn't messy. And we need some salt, and we'll sprinkle the salt over the top. And sort of half rub it in. At least make sure that the salt is sticking to the potato. Alright, so it's over to our air fryer. And, well, pull the drawer out and we'll stick in our potatoes. Make sure you don't overcrowd the inside of this drawer here, because otherwise you'll lose all the ventilation and it's not going to work. So these are pretty big potatoes, as you can see. So that should be enough for this machine. Stick this in, and we want to make this nice and hot, so up to 200 degrees Celsius. Now 200 degrees Celsius is about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And now my machine, it only goes up to 30 minutes, which isn't any good for me because I need to cook it for 40. So I'll drop it down to 20 minutes and hit start. And after 20 minutes, we'll come back, turn the potatoes over and put it on for another 20 minutes. So 40 minutes all up. Alright, so the first 20 minutes is up. And just look how great these are looking already. But they're not cooked through. So we will turn them over. And stick them back in for another 20 minutes at 200. Alright, well the timer's gone off, let's take a look. Whoa! Bro! Alright, it's hot potato, hot potato! Let's cut one open. Let's scoop out some of the guts. Which will allow more space for the butter just to soak in. You might like to add some cream cheese to here as well. Hey, maybe some sour cream. If I had some, I would. I'll put some other cheese on as well. And why not some hot sauce? Yum. Let's try some. Giddy up! Oh yeah! This is Greg's Kitchen, where the